In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove bounced emails from Mailchimp. Maintaining a healthy email list is crucial for ensuring high deliverability and engagement rates. So let's dive in and clean up the mess that bounced emails can create in your audience list. First, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, navigate to the Audience tab at the top of the page, and from the drop-down menu, select All Contacts. This will bring you to the main dashboard where you can manage your audience. Next, look for the Manage Contacts dropdown and click on it. From here, choose Segments. We are going to create a segment of all the bounced emails within your list. Click on Create Segment and get ready to filter out those unwanted emails. In the segment creation window, you'll be focusing on contact activity. Here, select Campaign Activity, then Email Marketing Status, and set the criteria to as cleaned. Cleaned means Mailchimp has marked these addresses as invalid due to repeated bounces, which is exactly what we're targeting. Now click on Preview Segment. This step is essential as it lets you visually verify the list of bounced contacts. You should see a list of email addresses deemed undeliverable by Mailchimp. Take a moment to review these emails and, if available, check the reason for the bounce, like whether it's a hard bounce or maybe the domain was not found. It's important to note that having an accurate audience count is crucial, especially if you're on a paid plan, since Mailchimp automatically excludes these from campaigns. Once you're sure about the bounced emails, it's time to remove them. Still in your preview segment, check the box next to email address to select all of the contacts. Then click the Actions dropdown and choose Remove Contacts. For complete removal, opt for Permanently Delete and confirm your decision. This deletes the bounced contacts from your list entirely, ensuring a cleaner audience. For those interested in keeping a backup, consider exporting these contacts before deletion. Simply click on Export Segment. Mailchimp will then email you a CSV file with the list of bounced emails. This can come in handy for record keeping or future validation if needed. Looking ahead, it's recommended to set a regular cleaning schedule for your list. Ideally, you should do this every 1 to 2 months. During these cleaning sessions, run the Cleaned segment to remove or update inactive and bounced subscribers. Utilizing Mailchimp's contact rating feature can help identify low engagement users. To go the extra mile, consider integrating a service like Never Bounce or Zero Bounce. These tools automate list cleaning, ensuring your audience remains efficient and effective without added manual effort. By regularly maintaining your email list, you'll not only improve your deliverability rates, but also enhance the overall success of your email marketing campaigns. Keep it clean, keep it effective,